An Amazon FBA Wholesale account lets you sell products sourced from brands or distributors using fulfillment by Amazon FBA. It requires a professional seller account, not individual, and approval for gated categories if applicable. Here's a step-by-step guide. Sign up for Amazon Seller Central. Go to sellercentral.amazon.com, click Start Selling, choose Sell as a Professional, $39 per month plus fees. Enter your business name, address, phone, and tax info, SSN or EIN for US sellers. Provide a valid credit card and bank account for payouts. Complete identity and business verification. Upload government-issued ID, passport, driver's license, utility bill or bank statement, proof of address, and business docs if required, for example, IIN letter, business license. Amazon verifies within 1 to 7 days, sometimes faster. Set up FBA. Once approved, go to Inventory, manage FBA inventory, enable Fulfilled by Amazon, add products, search UPC or ISBN, or manually create listings. Need invoices for wholesale authenticity. Source: wholesale products. Find legitimate suppliers, brands, distributors via sites like Faire, RangeMe, Alibaba, Verified, or direct brand outreach. Request invoices showing you purchased genuine products. Amazon requires proof for gated brands. List and ship to Amazon. Create listings. Match existing ASINs when possible for wholesale. Use Send to Amazon workflow. Print FBA labels. Ship inventory to Amazon warehouses.